Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the fuel cells. Fuel cells are galvanic cells consisting of two electrode and electrolyte which convert the chemical energy of chemical reaction between fuel and oxidant directly into the electrical energy. Here in the fuel cell, the chemical energy of chemical reactions that taking between fuel and oxidant that directly is converting into the electrical energy for several application. The first fuel cell was demonstrated in 1839 by Sir William Grove, who tried to reverse the phenomenon of water splitting by applying electrical field to hydrogen and oxygen. The fuel cell was first used in 1960 to provide the electricity on board in the Gemini and Apollo spacecraft. Fuel cell consists of electrodes and electrolyte. The fuel and the oxidant are supplied continuously. These fuel cells give more efficient way to generate the electricity as it avoids the heat to work conversion and directly convert chemical energy into electrical energy through the electrochemical reactions. The products formed in the fuel cell are non-objectionable and less environmental pollutants. The first company to adopt the fuel cell in vehicle is Honda. The cars run by fuel cell are called Honda FCCS. The general representation of the fuel cell. Here, this is the general representation of the fuel cell. The reaction involved in the fuel cell are at the anode, oxidation of fuel take place. Fuel is going to oxidize and gives the oxidation products and it will release the electron, and these electron will reaches into the cathode side and reduction will take place where oxidant will be there. This oxidant will accepting the electron and going to give the reduction products. That means it involves the oxidation and reduction reaction. By using the oxidation and reduction reaction, it is going to produce the electrical energy. That means in the fuel cell, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy through electrochemical reactions. Difference between conventional cell and fuel cell. Conventional cell means it is a battery and fuel cell. First difference between battery and fuel cell is battery is a store the chemical energy, but fuel cell will not store the chemical energy. That means in the battery the chemical energy stored in the form of active material, but in the fuel cell the chemicals are supplied to the fuel cell and the free energy of the chemical reaction are converted into electrical energy. Second one, reactants are within the cell. That means in the battery all reactants are existing within the cell, but in the fuel cell all the reactants are supplied continuously from outside into the cell. Then third difference is products remains within the cell. Whatever the reaction products are obtained in order to produce the electrical energy in the battery, they will present within the cell. But here in the fuel cell, products are continuously removed from the cell. In the battery, harmful waste products are formed because of using cadmium like material. But in the fuel cell, harmful waste products are not formed. Batteries are rechargeable. They can be recharged, but fuel cells are cannot be rechargeable. The efficiency of production of electrical energy is less in battery, but the efficiency of production of electrical energy in the fuel cell is higher. Advantages of fuel cell. As compared to battery, the power efficiency is higher. The operation of fuel cell are silent operations. Fuel cell are not required any charging. That means recharging is not required for the fuel cell. And in the fuel cell, by the whatever the reaction or carried out in the fuel cell, whatever the products are formed that in order to generate the electrical energy, those products are not harmful to environment. And the disadvantage of fuel cell are high initial cost. The cost of fuel cell is high. Large weight and volume gas fuel system storage system is required. That means here in order to generate the electrical energy in the fuel cell, we have to supply the fuel and oxidant continuously from outside to the fuel cell. That's why we need the storage for the fuel and oxidant. High cost of pure hydrogen. That means whatever fuel is used for the fuel cell is one of the fuel is hydrogen, and that is very costly. One of the major criticism of this technology is challenge in the production, transformation, flammability, and storage of hydrogen gas, which is main constituent in the fuel cell. These are the disadvantages of fuel cell.